This is a very simple way of plating a Sev Papdi chaat, but the whole thing is how do you actually make it look nice. We first take some tamarind chutney into a squeezy bottle and we do a spiral around the plate or inside the plate. Start from the center and with a steady hand go into a circular fashion going outwards towards the rim. Now once that is done, you place down the papdis. Now I am using a carbon colored or black onion powder papdis, which gives a very nice color. You can use normal papdi, but the black color effect is very nice. I top it up with an aloo chaat, which basically boiled potatoes with some chopped ginger, some chopped green chili, coriander, mint, lemon juice and chaat masala. Very simple. You can add any other flavor which you want to add to the dish. So spoon the potatoes generously on top of the wheat crisp, the papdis, just to make sure that it's got a substantial quantity. So when you bite into it, you get the nice flavors of the potatoes. And to garnish it, normally you use just plain sweetened yogurt, but I am using sweetened yogurt but with saffron flavor. So if you look at the colors, it is saffron, it is the black of the charcoal papdi, is the potatoes, the fresh herbs. The trick with the yogurt is I am using a very thick yogurt here. You can use Greek yogurt, or you can use labne, or you can use hunkered, which has been whisked with the sugar. So it gives a very nice flavor, but it's a saffron which you add into it, which takes the papdi chaat into a totally different dimension. Now once that is done, the final garnish is normally with Sev. Now again, the Sev, which is a gram flour vermicelli, I have again colored them with burnt onion powder, so it gives a very nice black color. So if you look at the plate, it's got all the flavors of a Sev papdi chaat. It's got the yogurt, it's got the crispiness of the papdi, the Sev, and the tanginess of the chutney. So that is a very simple Sev Papdi chaat. Do enjoy and let me know how it goes. Bon appetit.